Abusua say we graduate na we unemployed. And I say undergraduate abusua there. And I say we worker if you are employed but you want to create other sources of income. I think that digital skills can be considered. In this digital age, so a smartphone, now with data. If you have the right knowledge, you can be poor. You can create other sources of income for yourself. Now, one of the skills are you can learn, master, and make money from affiliate marketing. You can say affiliate marketing now. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you promote the product of others for commissions. Now, there were many affiliate programs. Your Seller, your Digistem, your JVZoo, your Enipex, your Amazon. We have Digistore 24. We have so many affiliate programs. And the affiliate marketing, as I said, you are only going to promote the product of others for commissions. Now, the products are in the marketplace of the affiliate marketing platforms. And when you sign up and as a partner with any of the affiliate marketing platforms, they have a marketplace. Marketplace, no. When you go to the marketplace, they have their products. What you are going to do in the marketplace of the affiliate marketing platform, they say you are going to select a hot selling product, not necessarily a high commission product, because there are many products that commissions are high, but the demand is low. And as an affiliate marketer, you are only going to promote product in the marketplace of affiliate marketing platform. Now, near TN say every product you select in the marketplace of an affiliate marketing platform, a link will be generated for you. So that link, is your unique link. Nobody has that link. And when you come on social media, we have a larger traffic. We have billions of active users on the social media platform every month. And when you come on the social media platform, you have to understand how to promote the product. Once you understand how to promote the product, you'll be able to promote the product to drive traffic from the social media platform to the marketplace of the affiliate marketing platform. When they go there to make a purchase, you are getting your commission. So with your smartphone and data, you are good to go. And the affiliate marketing, we have three main players in the ecosystem. The first player is the merchant. The merchant is either the product creator and answer the affiliate program. Then the second player is the affiliate marketer, which is you. So you are going to be in between the affiliate program or the merchant and that of the customers. And the three main players, you are the merchant, you are the affiliate marketer, that is you. Then we have a customer, the one who is going to buy. You must understand, sir, when you get to the marketplace of any of the affiliate marketing platforms, those products are solutions to people's problem on the social media platform. So when you select a product, you have to know that that product can solve specific problems. In the social media platform, you have to get the knowledge how to target the right people who need that solution. So if you find those people who need that solution because you have the solution, that's the product. When you promote it and they see the product, then they can buy. And when they make a purchase, because it's through your affiliate link, and a free social media platform, so they call the marketplace of the affiliate marketing platform, you make your commission because the system recognize your unique link. I believe you are getting what I'm saying. And once the system recognize your unique link, any purchase via somebody makes with your link, the commissions attached to the product, will be credited to your Momo wallet. This affiliate marketing in today's digital age, so our smartphone, that's our data. You can make money from where you are because affiliate marketing, there are many benefits. It's a low startup cost. As a matter of fact, some of the platforms, you will pay 100 Ghana cedis for the whole year. Some of the platforms, you will pay 30 Ghana cedis the whole year. Some of the platforms, you will pay 165 Ghana cedis, 30 pesos the whole year. Some of the platforms, you will not even pay anything. It is free. And there are many affiliate programs. You must find out which one you want to partner with based on your niche. You can say niche is a specific segment of a larger market. Until when you get to the marketplace of any of the affiliate marketing platforms, you can't sell all the products. You can sell product around your niche. You need to understand we have many models. You will unattached affiliate marketing. That one who promote two products that you are not related to. Okay, that one is unattached affiliate marketing. Then we have related affiliate marketing. With related affiliate marketing, who promote two product you are already creating content around. Let's say you are promoting food supplements and you are creating content in the area of health. That type of affiliate marketing, your friend related affiliate marketing. Then we have involved affiliate marketing. Involved affiliate marketing, you are promoting a product you personally use and trust. So you need to understand all these models. These are types of affiliate marketing models you need to understand. So affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. But if you understand it with time, consistency and dedication, you'll be able to make so much money. So you're a graduate, now say what you mean. Now you are unemployed, you are confused, frustrated because you don't know what to do. You can consider affiliate marketing. If you want to be trained, you can go to the comment section and type, I am interested. When I see it, I will send you the details because I have a package, very detailed, comprehensive course on that. That will be a blessing to you. Until we are graduate, now we are unemployed, and as we are undergraduate, I go to ASUA there. And I say we are worker, we are employed already, but you want to create other sources of income in the digital space, then you can go to the comment section and type I am interested. And when you comment I am interested, when I see it, I will send you the details. I have a detailed comprehensive course for those that want to learn affiliate marketing. In this digital age, digital skills has taken over certificate. Until what certificate be, now you are not employed yet. Fatu baby, and learn digital skills and make sure you act on the knowledge you are getting. Give yourself some time with patience, consistency, and dedication. It's only a matter of time. You will make it. That's the reality. Only that is like farming. You cannot start today and harvest tomorrow. It needs patience, consistency, and dedication. Once you have the heart, then you can make it. God bless you. Share, follow for more.